What would you say are the fundamental causes for obesity in the UK?
So there's a lot of myth around obesity, but actually what causes obesity is quite simple. It's a misbalance in terms of energy. So it's eating too many calories and not doing enough exercise.
All right, okay. And is that part of the main associated links between the person's obesity, their amount of physical activity to and their health as well?
Being inactive is shown to be associated with higher risk of cardiometabolic disease and type 2 diabetes, some cancers, early death. Being overweight is also associated with these things. So basically the news is that really being active and trying to control your weight are good for you. And even if you find controlling your weight difficult, if you are more active and you keep being more active, then that's going to have a benefit.
Okay, and lastly, just in relation to your studies that you were doing, how did the use of physical activity in tackling obesity affect the person's overall health?
Being physically active has a lot of benefits, and I think one of the most important ones when you're trying to lose weight is the psychological benefit that you feel from being physically active. So when you're trying to lose weight, it's no use just trying to be physically active. You won't lose weight unless you change your diet as well and you eat less, and that's a really, really important point. However, I strongly feel that by incorporating physical activity into a weight loss program, then it allows you to feel positive about you. It gives you a framework through which to control your weight and your eating. So if you feel really hungry and you really want something to eat, but you know probably you're not that hungry, it's a good tactic then to go out and maybe go for a walk instead, and that will help control your appetite. So I think what we find in our programs is that when people are physically active, they find it easier to lose weight because they're controlling their eating, and they're feeling the benefits more quickly. They're feeling better about themselves, they're feeling more toned, and they feel really, really motivated then to try and continue to lose weight.
Okay, so would you say there's a mental aspect with it as well?
Absolutely. I think in terms of losing weight, that's one of the most important points. However, when it comes to maintaining your weight, being physically active is really important. So if you've reached a weight that you're happy with and you want to keep it that way, then going out for a walk, going to the gym, whatever suits you best is something that you should keep doing and make a regular part of your everyday life.
Okay, thank you very much.
That's okay.
Thank you.